Hey there, health warriors. Ever wondered why some foods are crowned as superfoods while others aren't? Today, we're diving into the secrets behind these nutrient-packed powerhouses. So, buckle up. This is going to be a thrilling ride through the world of superfoods. First up, what exactly makes a superfood super? Well, these foods are not wearing capes or flying around. But they pack a major nutritional punch. Superfoods are loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other nutrients that can help us fight diseases, boost our energy, and even keep our skin glowing. Now, let me spill some tea on a few lesser-known superfoods. Ever heard of chia seeds? These tiny seeds were once used as currency. Yeah, they were that valuable. Fast forward to today and they're sprinkled on everything from smoothies to salads. Why? Because they're full of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Talk about a small but mighty food. Moving on, let's talk about acai berries. No, it's not pronounced acai, it's acai. These berries are like the popular kids of the superfood world. Originating from the Amazon rainforest, they're rich in antioxidants that can help combat aging and boost brain function. Plus, they make a killer base for those Instagram-worthy smoothie bowls. And here's a fun one, spirulina. It might just look like green dust, but this algae is a heavyweight champ in the nutrient department. It's packed with protein and is an excellent source of B vitamins, iron, and copper. Just a spoonful can transform your smoothies into a nutrient explosion. But wait, let's talk about something crucial here. While superfoods are fantastic, they're not magic pills that solve all health issues. A balanced diet is key, so don't just stock up on kale or quinoa and call it a day. Variety is the spice of life, and it's also the secret to a healthy diet. So next time you're navigating the grocery store or scrolling through your meal prep ideas, remember to mix it up. Toss some seeds here, throw in some berries there, and maybe, just maybe, sprinkle a bit of that green dust. I promise, your body will thank you. Alright folks, that's a wrap on our superfood safari today. Remember, the real secret is not just in eating them, but in enjoying them as part of a balanced, colorful, and fun diet. Stay healthy, eat smart, and keep chasing those super benefits. Catch you in the next one, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more health secrets unveiled right here. See ya!